me, you know that I'm a 26-year-old that just cannot stay her butt at home. But if you're new here, welcome. My name is LashanyaB. I make cute mini vlogs on TikTok, and here's where I tell you all about them. Right now that we got that out the way, let's get into this girls trip to Barcelona. By the time we got to Barcelona, we were already having a 10-hour day. You could see the sweat in the fog on the camera. It says it all. After we checked into our hotel room, we went and got some Indian food. It was actually pretty good, and got our welcome drink. And the next morning, we checked into our new hotel room because I was not feeling the first one. Like, I know it's skinny here, but babes, we need a little space. I was done feeling myself in the mirror. We headed over to the Paella Club, which was about a 7-minute walk from our hotel. Y'all, I don't think I've ever been to a cooking class before, but if I have, it was not this lit. I've had paella once in DR, but this experience was amazing. They gave us endless cava, which is like wine. We all made completely different paellas, and we're in teams. Of course, you are in the team that you came with, but I 100% recommend doing this as an interactive activity to do. I'll tell you, I curated this trip like it was a brand trip, babe. We had activities, and we even made some new friends. This is what all the paellas looked like when they were done. Ooh, and yes, me and Divine had the best one. Sorry. Proof was in the paella, period. Look upon the chef them. Yeah. Afterwards, we headed over to the market that everybody be talking about. I could have went without it, but anyway, we got a cookie and donut, and this was Divine's review.
That's a motherfucking bread. She's away from motherfucking bread. I'm pissed because I want something good.
I'm gonna hold you. The cookie I got was good, but the next time I went there, I got a trash ass pizza. They should be ashamed. Here we're heading to Opium. This was one of the TikTok recommendations. Lie. I would never go back there again. If you like music, that's the spot to be. Don't get me wrong. We had a good time because me and Divine are just me and Divine. You know what I'm saying? But if it wasn't just me and Divine, it wouldn't have ate as much. Literally running to the bus stop that we couldn't even get on. I'm not even going to get into that today because I have a bone to pick with the Barcelona transportation system. Anyway, the next day we went to McDonald's because I'm not too good for McDonald's. Y'all know I need to see what they got on that menu. When I'm in Europe, I have to get a McSpicy because it is so good. But the only new things that we really tried was the sour cream fries, which were disgusting. I'm so sorry. It tastes like dust on the fries. And there was Nutella and cookie butter filled donut poppers that were really good. Afterwards, we went up to the stunning museum because Divine and I love some art. But after you get your big ass to the top from all that hiking, you're rewarded with a beautiful view of Barcelona. Now, it is packed because everybody's trying to see. So, you know, get in where you could fit in for your little pics or whatever, but it's absolutely gorgeous, worth visiting. Was this the best museum I've ever been to? No. Would I go back? Probably not, but it was a cute activity to add to the itinerary for the day. Afterwards, we headed over to the cable cars. If you guys don't do anything on this damn list, go do these cable cars. It's absolutely stunning to see the whole view of Barcelona, and honestly, the price isn't that bad. Now we're heading to our last dinner, the Gatsby Barcelona. I love the Great Gatsby, so I was super excited for this experience just to be completely let down. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 10. I will say the seating chart situation was really trash. I'm so sorry. Divine was behind me and barely could see anything. Performances were cute. I ain't gonna hold you. Shorty could sing. We're gonna give credit where credit is due. Yeah, no, it did not give, and I was really disappointed, and the food was not good either. This activity I had planned for us was AIRE Ancient Baths, and I'm not gonna hold you. It's gonna cost you a little coin, but baby, we had a 1-hour massage and 1 hour in their ancient baths along with a glass of cava. I felt like a tenderized chicken when they was done with me, baby. Couldn't fit inside, so it was very exclusive. But look at me taking my time, admiring my skin. Little did I know I was about to miss my flight to London. I'll see y'all over there.